Bonjour et bienvenue sur French Lover. Hello, welcome to French Lover. J'espère que vous allez bien. I hope you are good. Moi, je vais bien. I'm good. Aujourd'hui, nous allons faire un dialogue à la cuisine. Today, we are going to do a dialogue in the kitchen. Okay, so if you imagine how a kitchen dialogue will sound like in French, here is an idea. Si vous imaginez comment un dialogue dans la cuisine est, voici un exemple. So we are going to do a dialogue on making pancakes, faire les crêpes. Making pancakes, faire des crêpes. Okay, I love pancakes. Okay, faire des crêpes, making pancakes. It's a discussion between Phil and Léa. Okay, une discussion entre Phil et Léa. Léa. Okay, Phil, on fait des crêpes. Léa, bonne idée. Il faut quoi? Bonne idée. Il faut quoi? Phil, il faut du lait, des œufs. Il faut du lait, des œufs. Léa, il faut combien de lait? Il faut combien de lait? Phil, il faut 250 millilitres de lait et 2 œufs. Il faut 250 millilitres de lait et 2 œufs. Léa, est-ce qu'il faut aussi de la levure? Est-ce qu'il faut aussi de la levure? Phil, non, pas de levure, mais il faut de la farine. Non, pas de levure, mais il faut de la farine. Léa, combien de farine? Combien de farine? Phil, 100 grammes de farine. 100 grammes de farine. Léa, et du sel? Et du sel? Phil, oui, il faut un peu de sel. Oui, il faut un peu de sel. Now, if you notice, there are partitives in this dialogue, okay? So, why in some places you say du lait, and then in other places you see de lait. Okay, so go watch my video on partitives to get an idea. Okay, so we are going to translate the dialogue. Phil, on fait des crêpes. Should we make pancakes? Remember, crêpes is pancakes. Should we make pancakes? Okay. Léa say, good idea, bonne idée. Good idea, bonne idée. Il faut quoi? What do we need? What do we need? Il faut quoi? Il faut du lait, des œufs. We need milk and eggs. Il faut is from the verb falloir, okay? The verb to need or the verb to have to. And I told you it means all that. The verb to need, the verb to have to, okay? Or the verb to must. So if you say to have to and it doesn't work with the sentence, try with to have to. With must. If it still doesn't work, then try with to need. In this situation, it will mean to need. Il faut du lait, des œufs. We need milk and eggs. It's always with il faut, okay? It's always in the third person singular. That's why whatever we say, we'll only be using il. Okay, we need milks and eggs. We need milks, we need eggs. Il faut combien de lait? How much milk do we need? How much milk do we need? Il faut 250 millilitres de lait et des œufs. If you don't know numbers, I have a video number, so go watch it. Il faut 250 millilitres de lait et des œufs. We need 250 milliliters of milk and 2 eggs. We need 250 milliliters of milk and 2 eggs. Est-ce qu'il faut aussi de la levure? Est-ce qu'il faut aussi de la levure? Do we also need yeast? Do we also need yeast? Faire, no, pas de levure. No, no yeast. Mais il faut de la farine. But we need flour. Okay, flour. Non, pas de levure, no. No yeast. Mais il faut de la levure. But we need flour. Léa, combien de farine? Combien de farine? How much flour? Okay, how much flour? Phil, 100 grammes de farine. 100 grammes de farine. 100 grams of flour. 100 grams of flour. Et du sel and salt. Et du sel and salt. Oui, il faut un peu de sel. Yes, we need a little salt. Okay, yes, we need a little salt. So, that's the dialogue. Okay. Now, let's check the partitives in this dialogue. We have des crêpes. That's pancakes. We use des because pancakes is in plural form. So, whenever you want to say pancakes, you use des. Okay, partitive is used in front of things that are quantified. Okay. And noun never stands on its own. We have du lait. Du lait. Du lait mean is du because lait is masculine. Okay, du lait, masculine, some milk. Okay, some milk. Then we have des œufs. We should already know des œufs. It will mean eggs, and it's there because it's many eggs. Okay, and then we have il faut combien de lait? How much milk do we need? Now, du lait here changed to de lait. Why? Simple. In part, if you watch my video, I said whenever you use a quantifier, okay, all your partitives, be that du, be that de, be that de la, will change to de. Quantifier. What do I mean by quantifier? Things like how much, much, small, a cup of, a tea of, a plate of, a pot of. Okay, anything that measures whatever you are saying. Okay, every partitive will change to de. Okay, in this case, so here combien, how much, is introduced in the sentence. So the du lait will now change to de lait. For more explanation, go to my partitive video. Okay, so the same thing happened with il faut 250 millilitres de lait. We've measured the milk, 250 milliliters of milk, so it will become de because of the 250 milliliters. Okay, if it wasn't there, then we won't have used it. Okay, which other partitives? We have de levure. Non, pas de levure. Now before that we had est-ce qu'il faut aussi de la levure? Do we also need yeast? Now in this case they use de la. De la is used in front of feminine nouns. Okay, singular feminine nouns. Levure is feminine, so we use de la. Du in front of masculine singular nouns. De in front of all plural nouns. De la in front of singular feminine nouns. Okay, and then de, I've already showed you one instance we use de when we use a quantifier. Okay, when we measure the thing. Okay, de la levure. Now de la levure changed to de levure in the next sentence. Why? Because that is a negative sentence. So number one instance of using de, when we use a quantifier, we've measured the thing. Number two instance of when we use de is when the sentence is in the negative form, which can be used seen with ne or pas. Ne rien, ne pas, ne plus. Check my video on negative sentences and you will see them. Okay, so pas de levure, no yeast is a negative sentence, so de la will become de. Okay, so mais il faut de la farine. De la farine. Farine is flour and it's feminine, singular feminine, so use de la. Okay, now in the next sentence they say combien de farine. De la change to de. Remember why? Because we used combien. De là changed to de because we use combien, a quantifier, a measurement, okay? Combien, how much? So de là becomes de. And in the next sentence, 100 grammes de farine, it becomes de again. Why? Because we use a unit of measurement, 100 grammes, 100 grams of flour. Et du sel, and salt. Sel, masculine, singular, so we use du. Now in the next sentence, du sel changed to de sel. Why? Oui, il faut un peu de sel. Yes, we need a little bit of salt because a quantifier was introduced in the sentence, which is a little bit. A little bit. So a little bit, because of a little bit, de du changes to de. If you want to know more on it, okay, I'm just brushing up like a revision. Go check my video on repetitive, and if you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. I will do another video and go more in detail. So du, masculine singular nouns. De là, feminine singular nouns. Des, plural nouns. It doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine. Then de, in front of nouns that they've used quantifiers, okay, like how much, how many, a little, a plate of, a cup of, a tray of, much, small, okay. And then de is also introduced when the sentence is in the negative form, okay. So I'm just brushing over. So that is it. More questions, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I have 4 WhatsApp classes, okay, so my number is on the screen, so contact me and we can arrange something. Okay, bonne journée, have a nice day, et au revoir and goodbye.